You don't have to wait to have it all figured out. You don't have to wait till the coast is clear before you take action. Clarity in itself will not come by you doing nothing. It comes when you take action. Your action will then bring about clarity. Every step you take teaches you something. Every attempt you make also teaches you something. Every mistake you make provides feedback. Waiting for certainty ends up creating paralysis. So why not just take a step today? Take a step towards being better. Take a step towards achieving a better goal. Take a step towards being a better version of yourself. Don't wait. You don't need to wait before you take a move. Take action and your future self will appreciate you. Today's day 48, and I'm just trying to remind you that you don't need to have it all figured out. Cheers.